个高龄的师妹，我也是的。
A colorful and wonderful world of birds. We hope you would leave the show feeling amazed by our bird conservation champions and be inspired by all our feathered friends across the world. Speaking of feathered friends, I'm sure all of you would have seen some of them running across the stage, right? Well, those are our bantam chickens and they are here to commemorate the year of the rooster. With that, let's continue the show, okay? So right now, we are going to highlight the natural behaviors of macaws. Macaws in the wild, they love to congregate on palm trees to feast on palm nuts. Right here we have a tree with fruits and nuts attached for our birds. So ladies and gentlemen, look right back there. And here comes Gaia, our hyacinth macaw. Joining her will be Ferrari, our scarlet macaw. Now macaws like them, they can be found in the forest of South America. After feeding, these birds, they often fly to rocky areas such as this to lick up on clay or chalk. This would help them with the digestion of any unripe palm nuts or fruits that they have eaten. Looks like the both of them are still enjoying themselves up there, but not to worry. This will definitely be their next stop. In the meantime, we have 4 birds joining us on stage. Birds, they often gather food for their young during nesting season. So we are going to have a little competition, okay, to see who is faster at gathering fruits, and they need supporters. So people from this side to this side, you will support Zonda, our blue and gold macaw. So I want all of you to clap your hands and cheer for Zonda as loud as you can. Come on, Zonda, Zonda. There you go, very good. The rest of you, you will support Barry, our green-winged macaw. Same thing and louder, okay? Come on, Barry, Barry. There you go, excellent cheering. Now birds to the table. So right here with me, I have a hollow tree trunk where these 2 birds will be gathering 4 fruits each. Okay, so supporters, are you ready? I can't hear you. Yeah. That's much better. Birds ready, let's go. Zonda supporters, come on, keep on cheering. There you go, but tell me who's the winner? Barry! Good job, Barry. Good job, Barry supporters. Hi. What happened? What? Warm up? Not the actual game. Oh, he wants one more game. Okay, let me ask everyone, okay? Shall we have one more game? Okay, let's give Zonda here another chance. Alright, so 4 fruits for Zonda, 4 fruits for Barry. Zonda supporters, you have to cheer much louder this time, okay? Ready and go! This time, the winner is Zonda! Looks like we have a draw this morning. Both the birds have done very well. car in the middle, get their attention, not mine, okay? Now, every morning, the male and female toucans would leave their nests to look for food to feed their young. That is exactly what we are going to have for you next in a very short while. Our Togo toucans will be joining us on stage, and they will be flying really low above some of your heads. Okay, so I need all of you to remain seated. Do not reach out to touch the birds, okay? Alright, let's just wait for first volunteer to be ready. Okay, looks like he's ready. Everyone, keep your eyes on that hut. Let's welcome our Togo toucans. We have 2 of them this morning. Once again, everyone remain seated, please. Hi, so you have to sit down. Thank you. Alright, now Togo toucans, they can be found in South America as well. They are the largest in the toucan family. They'll be making their way to our second volunteer in the middle. Alright. Okay, come on, fly. Okay, so you don't have to move, alright? Thank you. Now, despite having large beaks, these birds, they remain agile in flight. Okay, to help demonstrate that, Lina will be tossing a fruit each for both the toucans, and let's see if they can catch it in mid-flight. Okay, once again, for those of you taking videos in your long selfie sticks, please lower the sticks down. Thank you. Are you ready, Lina? The count of 3. 1, 2, 3, and up. Whoa, that's a good catch. Now for the other toucan, let's all count together, shall we? Come on. 1, 2, 3. Perfect catch. Alright, now let me introduce the both of them to you, okay? The one in the bottom is Mr. and the one on top is Mrs. Axel, our husband and wife team. Alright, do you want to join your husband over here? Come on. There you go. Now these 2 birds, they are very loyal to one another. When one goes, the other follows, okay? So I'm going to leave the both of them on the stump right here. Okay. Alright, Mrs. Axel, you lead the way. Come on, move it that way. Mr. Axel, you follow. Our Togo toucans, everyone. Now, what differentiates parrots from other animals is their ability to copy sounds. They do this in the wild for social communication. The yellow-napped Amazon parrot is famous for its ability to copy sounds, and we have one such bird today. So everyone, get your video cameras ready, okay? This is going to be exciting. Alright, so let's start with something simple. Do you want to say hello? Hello! Very nice and sweet hello. Okay, now introduce yourself. Tell everyone here what's your name. Amigo! Did you hear that? His name is Amigo. We'll hear this one more time, okay? What's your name? Amigo! Amigo is his name. Now, Amigo, there's so many of them here today. So, how would you like to greet all these nice people? How are you? He's asking, how are you? What a polite bird. Job, Amigo. Now, Amigo here is quite smart, okay? He can count from 1 to 10 in English. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. Now, Amigo here, he can count in another language as well. But before he starts counting, I need those of you who are taking videos to turn off your flashes, okay? The weather is not so good, so these flashes may look like lightning for Amigo and for the other birds as well. Okay, so please, I need your cooperation for this. Turn off your flashes, alright? Okay, as I said, he can count in another language, right? He can count in Chinese. Not only he can count, he can also sing. He can sing 3 different songs in 3 different languages. The first song titled Current Line, which means a guest comes to visit. Amigo, sing in Mandarin. There you go, Caroline, word for word. The second song originates from Indonesia titled Rasa Sayang, which means feelings of love. Amigo, sing Rasa Sayang. What a chirpy song! Now the third song is a very special song and it's for those of you who are celebrating your birthdays today. By any chance, is anyone celebrating your birthday? Raise up your hands! Birthdays? No? No one from this side? People in the middle? Birthdays? No birthdays? No. Okay, how about people on this side? Okay, we have one. Okay, only one. So this song goes for you, man. Come on.
Happy birthday!